What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today's video. We're gonna be doing today is putting together a spoiler that I ordered for my 2016 Camaro SS. It's the ZL1 spoiler that's kind of off of the trunk a little bit. I got it in gloss black, so you know it matches the trunk with the vinyl wrap that we put on it. And so this one I ordered it from extremeonlinestore.com, and they got a great selection of different things you could do to modify your car. They don't just do Camaros, they also do Chargers, they do Mustangs, Corvettes, and I believe they do the CTSV also. So if you guys want to check that out, extremeonlinestore.com. Delivery was quick. Everything came packaged really well. There was no issues whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, turn the camera around, show you guys all the parts that we got to put together, the instruction manual, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so that's the spoiler right there, and then these are the little winglets, the stands, and then these are all the nuts and bolts that we got to put together, some 3M tape also. And we're just gonna go ahead and follow the instructions. After reading through them, they look pretty clear. It's not like it's not really complicated, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see how it goes. All right guys, here we go. Alright guys, so that's the finished product right there. I did have to use some epoxy glue for the winglets right there. And it took about 15 minutes for it to kind of set and stay stuck. So I went ahead and skipped that on the video. But that's how it looks once it's all put together. It looks really good. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to put it together and put it on the car, take the old spoiler off, and put this one in its place. Alright guys, so that's it. Oh yeah, there's the baby shark. So on today's video, we're going to be putting the spoiler on the back of the car when we were working on yesterday. We'll do a little quick video showing you guys what it is we got to do to take the spoiler off of the car that's on it right now, and then what we got to do to put the new one on. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not all that hard, and it shouldn't take too long either. So hopefully you guys like the video. Don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. We're going to take the clips off of each one of these, and then as you can see, I already went ahead and took off these little rubber ones that cover where the screws and all that are from the actual spoiler. So we're going to go ahead and just take this off, and then we're going to be taking that off right there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we got these two right here. Then there's two down here. I don't know if you could see them. These are a little harder to get to. And then we got these two out here. So it's got a total of 6 different screws that we got to take off to be able to take the spoiler off. It does have some sort of like tape to, holding it down also, instead of just the screws themselves. So we're gonna have to play with that a little bit to be able to take it off. Usually you use like a fishing line or something like that to loosen up some of that glue that it has. Is kind of like a double-sided tape. And but I've already taken this one off before and put it back on, so it shouldn't be as tough as the first time. So we'll see how it goes. That's pretty much it, guys. We do want to try and take as much of this off as possible so that the new spoiler can go on there smooth. Put these little rubber things back, put that panel back with all these little pins, the push clips or whatever back, and that's pretty much it. So alright guys, so before we close out this video, forgot one more thing. So what I'm trying to do is be a little original, have something different. We live in a small town here, and for some reason Camaros are really popular here, all different types of Camaros. So what I did with mine is I went ahead and put a red tow hook in front of it. So it's not something that you really see a lot here. But about a month later, another Camaro showed up, and guess what? It had its own red tow hook on it. So I'm gonna change it up a little bit, and I went ahead and ordered a tow strap, a red one. Give it a little different look. And so let's see what that looks like once it's put on there. All right guys, so this is the finished product. We got that red tow strap on there now. Do a little walk around. There's the new spoiler. I gotta say, this looks really good. I love the look. I think it looks great. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Man, I think wheels is probably the next project for this car. I like that tow strap too. Looks a lot different than with the red tow hook. Alright guys, till next time.